Dili ka, lingkod? Lingkod ka? May mausap ko diha. Hello people! Guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing. If napanood niyo yung vlog ko, nakita niyo na pinadalhan ako ni Tita Sexy. Pinadalhan niya ako and mag-filler ako. Sasabihin ko na birthday present niya to sa akin kasi parang alam niya kung kailan yung birthday ko. Kung hindi malalaman natin mamaya. Pero feeling ko birthday present niya to. Ang dami, 2 boxes na naman. Meron kaming unboxing ni Dan sa mga gifts na binigay niya sa amin last time. I-leave ko siya sa card kung gusto niyo siya mapanood. Sobrang thank you. Ang dami na nung sinend niya sa amin last time and now she sent us another one. Inopen siya ng Australia Post for inspection. Pero, yeah. Ito, galing to sa isang box na binigay niya sa amin yung last package. Yung pang-open ng mga mga parcels or pang-open ng kahit na ano. Very handy nito. Thank you, Tita Sexy. Si Dan, sasali siya mamaya. Nandun lang siya tawag ng kalikasan. Si Miss nandito. Ayaw niya pumunta dito. Dito ka kaya. Umupo ka dito. Grabe siya makalaf. Makisali ka ba? Ayaw niya daw. Nag-ano ka? Instagram story? Lahi na dyan siya. In-Instagram story niya yung aking unboxing. Ay, grabe. Dito siya guys sa bahay. Pupunta kasi kami ng zoo. Pero may oras pa. Kasi ayaw naman namin umalis agad. Kasi yung koala holding. Mamaya pa. So sabi ko mag-unboxing lang ako kasi wala akong ginagawa. And para ma-open ko na din to. Kahapon ko to na-pick up sa post office. So again, Tita Sexy. Thank you very much. I'm gonna do this first. Kasi meron na naman siyang 1 of 2. And it says here, sabi dito for raze. So akin to guys. Para sa akin to. Tingnan natin ang laman. Nakakaloka talaga to si Tita Sexy. Okay, may card. Nice. Ang social talaga, no? Thank you po. Sobrang thank you. Ha? Itag ko. Sabi ko sa'yo, miss. Upo ka na.
Tita Sexy.
Bakit namin?
Sabi naman siya.
Uy, thank you po. Happy birthday.
Parang akin yung birthday.
Ay, ang ganda. Thank you po. Here's to the very best in life today and every day. Happy birthday. I hope you like the pineapples I sent your way. Pineapples. Tita Sexy. Thank you po, Tita Sexy. I really like the card. This is my very first birthday card for this year. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ay, mga damit, miss. Kapag hindi kasya sa akin, tapos kasya sa kanya.
Look, Uy, mahiya ka naman Tita Sexy.
Vince Camuto.
Sino siya?
Parang ano siya? Designer. Hala! Mga damit, miss!
Ano mo to si Tita Sexy?
Damit na naman. Viewer ko nga siya. Viewer ko siya, guys. Hindi ko siya relative. Viewer ko siya. And wala lang. Nagustuhan niya ako.
Kita mo
So,
na siya.
thank you. Ay, car naman talaga. Maganda to pang summer. Kasya ba to sa akin? Mustard!
Kasya yan sa'yo, extra small.
Extra small from Vince Camuto. Ang ganda ng tela. Anuhin mo. Diba? Nice. Nice, guys. Uy, kasya to sa akin. Flowy ba? Maganda to pang summer.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you po. Ito, another mustard. Oh! Ay, hala!
Dalawa!
Dinalawa niya! Hala, dalawa! Hala, ikaw na talaga! Ay,
This one is XX small.
extra small. Ay, extra small ako.
Yeah, that
Oo.
will fit you.
Hala, thank you! Thank you! Thank you po! Ang ganda ng tela.
Bakit kanya binibigyan?
She's a nice person.
You're very sexy.
Pakita ko sa iyo yung picture niya. Sexy talaga siya, guys. Yeah, sexy talaga siya. Ito next, another Vince Camuto top na naman. Extra small to. See? Nice.
Black. Sa mga jeans.
Oo nga.
Yung jeans kahapon.
Tapos meron siyang patay dito sa baba. And then Ala, ito, dalawa na naman siya. Feeling ko same siya nung yellow kanina or mustard. Tapos, ano, extra small and extra small. Ala, siya na talaga. Oo, iba-iba lang yung kulay. Ang ganda ng pagka-red nito. Mandarin red yung kulay. Ang ganda, guys. Mag-ano ako ng isa, ha? Itong extra small, ano ko. Teka lang dyan. Ito, guys. May maganda yung pagka-red nito. Kakasabi ko lang na hindi ako masyadong nagsusuot ng mga red. But this one looks really nice. Parang nakakaputi no na red. Parang siyang merong hint ng orange. Parang very dark red orange. Oo, extra small ako. Ay, maganda to pang jeans. Itak-in mo sa high-waisted jeans. Thank you po. Okay, next. Ay! Wait sa. Ay, hala. Binigyan niya ako ng ganito. Pero ibang, ano. Ano siya? Shower gel. Guava mango. Binigyan niya ako ng ganito, Miss Din. Ano ba siya? Uy, wala siya. Siya na talaga ang nag-Instagram.
Nag-Instagram ako yung malaki yung mouth, guys, pag nagsasalita.
Ano, body wash. Thank you po. Shower gel. Thank you. Kaya
Body wash?
Yes. That smells really good.
Meron ka na ganito?
Parang yung binigyan niya ako ng isa, pero I'm not sure if it's
kasi sabi mo, it smells so good, so...
Kasi naamoy ko.
Ay, oo.
Mabango, diba? Course? Ano basa niyan? Course?
Correct.
Ito from Perlier. Body Balm. I love Body Balms. Shea butter. Meron siyang shea butter. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ano ka ba? Bakit mo ba hinaharang sa camera?
Okay. Open na ako.
Ay, hala, may nakalagay. Lipstick.
Color pop yan.
Hindi. Hala, lipstick? Twist Velvet Tint. So, it's a tint. Pink Blossom yung shade. Oy, thank you. Napaka-social naman. Parang, meron talaga siyang sariling lalagyan. Parang, test tube. Ayan. Twist Velvet Tint. Ay, ganon. Pag ganon siya, Miss.
Ay, oo. Nakita ko na yung ganyan.
Oo.
Ano, gawas na. Lasag ko nga.
Dele, gede mo gawas. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, nice.
What did you get, bud?
Danny's here. Uy, nice. Hindi siya yung ano, matcha.
Yeah, Matt.
Sissy.
No. Oh, there earlier.
See him.
Yeah. It's a birthday present?
Yo, she gave me the color.
Ah, cool.
Yo, thank you po. Thank you.
Very nice.
And then, it says pineapples for you.
Pineapple.
Sabi niya, pineapples for you. Pero, does it smell like pineapples? Pag ito prutas, ewan ko na lang talaga.
Yung pwede, uy.
Kaya nga, in-inspect pa na.
Yeah,
In-inspect. In-open for inspection. What's this? Is it a bag?
It's a bag. Oh, look cute.
Is it a bag?
Bag, babe, it's a car.
It's a
It's not a bag. Of course it's a bag.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh! It is pineapple!
Oh.
Si Miss, ang saya-saya. Nag-clap siya. Uy, in fairness, ang ganda. Parang embossed yung pineapple. Guys! Ako na
Use that today.
Ako na talaga ang may pineapple na bag. Na-adjust ba natin to?
Yeah, ma-adjust.
Adjust? Yes. Oh, yes.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It's
Uy,
cute.
thank you po.
Yeah, it's cute.
Thank you. Yeah, gamitin ko to today. Pineapple ako today. Thank you very much. Meron siyang packet dito sa likod. Yes. Hindi na kasi ako bumibili ng bag kasi medyo madami-dami na siya doon. Sa kitchen. Ang dami ko ng pineapple stuff sa kitchen. Thank you po. This is from Brahmin. Thank you. Thank you po, Tita Sexy. She gave me clothes. She gave me two of the same design but different sizes. Alright, let's open the next one. Did you open this already, Miss? Did you say hi to the people, my love?
I didn't. Hello, people.
Ulo, Tita Sexy, you didn't have to do this.
Was Sissy on the video?
Yeah.
Oh, she can be. You don't want to see this, Sissy?
She was in the video and then she kept on filming for her Instagram.
Ah.
You're making fun of me. For Ray's and Danny boy.
Thank you.
Yay, great timing, babe. Did you know that she's gonna send you the money? Okay. What's in here?
Chocolate.
Clothes, more clothes! Extra small clothes for me. Oh my gosh, ang daming damit po.
I love Sundays.
Yes. Nice. I-open ko ha. Extra small. I love Sundays.
Wow.
That's nice. Thank you po. Thank you very much. Love is not something you look for. Love is something you become. Caption on Instagram. Instagram caption. It's from Peace, Love, World. Thank you. Thank you for this. I like this. Meron siyang heart sa sleeve niya, guys. Very nice.
Yeah,
thank you. This one says, I love today. And it is in this really nice... like
Aqua color?
Yeah, aqua. It's got the heart on the sleeve as well. Ganyan, guys. And looks like that. I love today. Yeah, medyo malaki po to sa akin. This is gonna be a bit big on me, but that's really cute po. Thank you.
And then we got chocolates, Hershey's, hugs. Thank you. They're for me.
Yeah.
I like those.
Thank you. I'm gonna put it here.
Okay.
Thank you po. Thank you. What's this? Thank you po. Okay, I can do that.
Oh, this one all got.
More chocolates,
More
please.
chocolate. Thank you. Sissy likes chocolate.
She does.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they can share.
Yeah, we can share. Definitely.
That looks good.
And more. Oh my god.
Kisses.
Oh, cool. More kisses. Vanilla almonds. My god. Thank you.
Is it your birthday, babe?
It was in August. Thank you for the chocolate.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome.
Thank you so much. Okay, more clothes for me. Return what does not fit you. Allah. There's two.
Yeah, same lang.
Okay, I'm gonna return, ha? What size is this? 2? Size 2? What are these? I need to keep the packaging as well because I have to return some.
Pants?
Oh, this is size 2. No, too big for... I'm like 0, 000.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too big. What's this other one? Oh, this is 0. Okay, let's see. Yeah, yan yung... yan yung size ko sa US. 0 sometimes.
That's 0.
0. 0 to. Let's see. Kasi minsan malaki pa din yung... Yeah, malaki pa din.
Did that fit you?
No, it's too big.
Ah.
Yeah. So I'm a 0. So I'm gonna return this. Pero thank you po ha. Thank you so much.
This is for you.
Is that for me? Pineapple.
Pineapple parade.
Ala, ano to? What's this? Let's see. Pineapple.
Did Tita Sexy get you this as well?
She did. That's really handy.
It is.
Yeah. Ano to?
What is that?
Looks like that, guys. May pineapple na picture.
Design.
Ang dami-dami pineapple sa bahay.
Yep.
Pineapple.
Wow.
Dang, dang,
It's a
look,
big
it's
one.
gold.
Is it gold?
No, it's not gold.
That looks nice.
It's cute.
It's cute.
Nice. Ang cute nito. 1, 2. We've got one in the room.
We put that where? Here?
You can put that on the table.
Yeah.
Because the line
Kasi
hits
glass siya.
Yeah, it looks good.
So
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks
Ang
nice.
cute nito. Thank you po. Thank you very much. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
So we'd have to worry about getting Raz a present now because she's got so many
Don't,
presents.
don't.
Don't.
No, don't, because I don't need anything. Thank you very much. We have heaps of chocolates. Grabe naman ito, babe. What are you gonna do with these? You gonna share these? Si Michelle likes chocolate. Allah. Her luggage is like really full now.
She won't have much room for
And
chocolate.
today is her first day. So, good luck. Again, thank you so much po, Tita Sexy. Thank you very much. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already.
Are you gonna close this one?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
May mga ano talaga side comments. I hope to see you guys. No, I don't know. I'm not
Tomorrow.
sure. I'm not sure.
Focus.
See ya. Bye, guys.
See you
Good
guys.
night. Mwah.
So is your flight from Australia to New Zealand 20 kilos or 30 kilos?
23.
Okay.
But
And then you have 7.
yeah, the
Okay.
20 kilograms is actually going to Melbourne. That's the only 20 kilograms.
Yeah, but we
Yeah.
have.
What about from Melbourne to Sydney?
Melbourne to Sydney. Ah, yeah, I think that's the one that's actually 20. No, that's the one that's 20, I think. I don't have any clue about going to Melbourne.
So Sydney to New Zealand still 23 or 30?
Sydney to New Zealand is 23.
Okay. I'll see you there.
That's nice then.
No, nice na. Cute kayo. It's really cute.
What's your pang-design?
No, nice kayo yung kuan.
SpongeBob SquarePants. Biyak ko din.
Naman na nito na. Mga taas kaya po.
Is that the
It's very
last?
long.
Is it?
Yeah.
How about this one? Ano yung nakakalibangan ko?
Dili mo na siya ma-adjust.
You sure?
Yeah.
Ano nila magbangagan ng limana?
Dili mo.
Oh, nila na.
Or, wait sa, what's yung bag? Pwede siguro.
Okay.
Ay, pwede siya move on. So, all the way there.
Ah, yeah, yeah.